Let's now start creating your account. To create a new account, go to fiverr.com and click on Join link on the upper right hand corner. Put your email address and select Continue. You can also sign up using your Facebook or Google account. Now, here's a strategy of choosing a username. It is helpful to pick a username related to your gig. For example, if you will be doing SEO or backlink gigs, something like SEO Guy or SEO King would be good choices. You get the idea. If you are into graphics design, then use some creative username. We're doing this because we are branding ourselves. This is one way to tell the buyers that you are selling related services. It's a strategy that will greatly encourage buyers to check out your profile for other related gigs you offer. After entering your username and password, Fiverr will send you an activation link. So just pull up your email and click the activation link. That's it. So for this task, go ahead and set up your Fiverr account and make sure you verify your email. Once done, we can proceed to some of the settings you need to do to make sure you'll have an attractive profile.